Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to get Shield in Whiteout Survival. Now there are three ways we'd like to show you. The first is going through the in-game store. At the bottom of the game you can see some options right there. Tap on shop or store depending on what shows, and here in the store you can look through to find a shield. You have VIP shop and you have gem shop. Go through these different tabs at the bottom of the screen, and if they are available for you, you can purchase them. Next, you'll need to go through event and rewards. Now at the top right corner when you tap an event, you can participate in some event in order to make a challenge for them. When you make a win, you can have them through rewards. And then lastly, when you go to the bottom of the screen, you can see alliance. And when you make an alliance and join some alliances, as a reward, you can have alliance gift in form of a shield. So these are the three options you could take if you would like to get a shield in Whiteout Survival. Happy exploring, and if you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.